Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom font unit in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. So we are going to add custom font unit or measurement. Now you see text, so click on it. On left side you see content style advanced. Then you see style, so click on it, and then you see typography, click on edit, and then you see font family size. Now you see font size, so you can set according to your requirement, and then you see unit px. So we are going to add custom font unit measurement. So we are going to add points pt. Now select. Now you don't see points em, rem, vw, you don't see any points. Now you see edit pencil icon, so click on it. So you can add custom font unit here like pt 4 points. Now you see font size is changed. So in this way you can add custom font unit measurement according to your requirement like pt. In drop down points not mentioned, you see px, em, rem, vw. So we added pt 22 pt. Now you see font size. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.